Guide to choosing a bidet converter kit. Hello everyone! Today we're diving into everything you need to know about choosing the perfect bidet converter kit for your home. Whether you're upgrading your bathroom or simply trying out new comforts, we'll guide you through each essential step to make your selection process as easy as possible. Let's get started. 1. Type of bidet functionality. First up, let's talk about the type of bidet functionality. Bidet kits come in various forms like attachments, standalone seats, or even full toilet combos. Each offers different features, from basic rinsing to adjustable sprayers for front and rear cleansing. Consider what functionality is most important to you and how it fits your daily routine. 2. Installation requirements. Next, consider the installation requirements. Some kits are simple DIY projects that you can set up with basic tools, while others might require professional plumbing services. Check what's included in the kit and ensure you have the right setup at home to accommodate the new bidet. 3. Water temperature control. Moving on to water temperature control. Many bidet kits offer options to adjust the water temperature. This feature is essential for comfort, especially in colder climates. Decide if you need a kit with built-in heating or if room temperature water meets your needs. 4. Water pressure control. Water pressure control is another crucial feature. With adjustable pressure settings, you can ensure that the water stream is comfortable for all users in your home. Look for a bidet with easy-to-use controls that let you customize the pressure to your liking. 5. Nozzle features. Now, let's talk about nozzle features. Some bidets come with self-cleaning nozzles, adjustable positions, and even oscillating functions for a thorough clean. Consider what features will enhance your bidet experience. 6. Additional features. Additional features can include things like air dryers, night lights, or deodorizers. While not essential, these features can significantly enhance your comfort and the overall functionality of your bidet. Think about which extras you might appreciate. 7. Material and build quality. The material and build quality of your bidet kit are vital for durability and hygiene. High-quality materials like stainless steel or durable plastics are ideal. These materials are easy to clean and can withstand the test of time. 8. Cost is always a consideration. Bidet kits can vary widely in price, from budget-friendly options to high-end models. Determine your budget first, and then look for the best features available within your price range. 9. Brand and warranty. Choosing a reputable brand with a solid warranty can save you a lot of headaches in the future. Look for brands with positive reviews and check the warranty period and what it covers. A good warranty can be a significant indicator of the product's quality. 10. User reviews and ratings. Finally, take the time to read user reviews and ratings. They can provide real-world insights into how the bidet performs in daily use, its reliability, and the quality of customer service. This feedback can be invaluable in making your final decision. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you choose the perfect bidet converter kit for your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you have any questions or need more advice, leave a comment below, and we'll get right back to you. Happy shopping!
Hey, if you're looking to purchase a bidet converter kit, or you just want more information, get the details at abidetconverterkit.com.